Caleb here with Sunfind Solar. We're pleased to highlight the start of a project here for Central Alberta Landscaping and Yard Maintenance Company. So they have a nice big shop, and we are going to cover that south-facing roof all with solar PV and bring this property to net zero. Follow along, let's get into it. It's about innovative energy solutions. It's about a wise financial investment. It's about a contribution to our future. Welcome to the solar life. Let's get up there and have a look. Yeah, no doubt, eh? Okay, let's get some rails done up here. Making some progress here. Rails are all up here, mapping out the optimizers. The crew's laying out the optimizers there. I'm gonna torque and mark these bolts. Sun is going down on another day. Good progress today. Steven, thumbs up. Yeah, man. Optimizers are up. Just cleaning up the home run wires. And we are going to be ready for solar modules here by tomorrow. So good day today. Thanks for following along. Have a good evening, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye.